after trying out this Ayurvedic hair spray, I promise you will never ever waste your money on expensive products that don't actually work. This Ayurvedic spray is going to give you an insane growth and thickness within a short period, and I'm going to be showing you how you can make this right in your kitchen. So keep watching. Hi natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making one of the strongest, most effective herbal spray, and when I tell you that this spray is going to grow your hair massively, I'm not even joking. Now let's talk about rosemary. This herb you're seeing right here is widely known for waking up dormant hair follicles. It's great in boosting blood circulation on the scalp. It supports natural regrowth, and if you're dealing with slow hair growth or thinning areas, rosemary is one of the best herbs that you can use consistently. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of dry rosemary. You can also use the fresh one. Next is cloves. These tiny buds you're seeing right here are packed with nutrients that reduce shedding, strengthens hair. Cloves helps your hair hold on to every inch you grow, making it easier for you to retain length. And I'm also using just 1 tablespoon of clove. Our next ingredient is moringa powder. This you see right here is a powerhouse plant. It contains vitamin A, B, C, and vitamin E, iron, zinc, amino acids. It contains everything your hair needs to grow stronger and healthier. Now I'm going to be adding in some clean water. Preferably you can add 1 cup of water into this herb, and we are going to be giving this a very quick stir before we add in our next ingredient. So just in case this is your first time coming across this channel, I would like to welcome you into the family. Please do also hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. And now for thickness, volume, and breakage reduction, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of hibiscus powder. Hibiscus adds volume and thickness to your strands and also helps reduce breakage. It keeps your ends moisturized and supports a fuller, healthier hair. So just in case you don't want your spray to be this darker, if you want it lighter, please do also use the rough hibiscus instead of the powder. Now after mixing everything properly together, I'm going to be placing this directly on the stove, and I'm going to boil on low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now that I'm done boiling, I'm going to allow this to steep for about 10 to 15 minutes to extract the full benefit from these herbs, and also we need this to cool down before we add our next ingredient. And after a few minutes, the mixture was completely cooled down, and I'm going to go ahead to use a cheesecloth to strain this mixture. You can use a strainer as well. Just make sure no particles is inside the spray. Now like I said, before adding in this next ingredient, you must make sure this spray is completely cooled down, and that ingredient is aloe vera gel. You're going to be extracting your aloe vera gel, then you'll be adding in some of it into this spray. Next, you add in few drops of your essential oils. I'll be using peppermint and lavender. Remember, these essential oils is optional, so if you don't have, you don't need to add it. And now here is why you should add in aloe vera gel into this spray, and why you should add it when this spray is completely cooled down. So basically, this aloe vera gel is going to help this spray to penetrate better, and it's going to give your hair moisture that these herbs alone cannot provide. Herbal sprays can be drying sometimes if used alone, so this aloe vera gel is going to add hydration, softness, and sleep so your hair doesn't dry out. Aloe vera also contains enzymes that helps with growth, moisture, and scalp repair. And the reason why I said you should add in your aloe vera into this mixture while it's completely cool is because aloe vera is heat sensitive, so if you put it while this mixture is still hot, the heat can destroy the natural enzymes and nutrient that makes aloe vera effective. So after mixing everything properly, just pour this into your applicator bottle for easy application. And now that our spray is ready, the next important thing you don't want to miss out on is how to properly use this spray, and that is really important. That's why I'll be showing you quickly how to use this spray in order to maximize all its benefits. So you're going to be using this spray at least 3 to 5 times in a week, and make sure to always shake the bottle in every use. You're going to be spraying directly on your scalp and your hair strands. And if you have alopecia spot, thinning edges or weak areas on your hair, you're going to be focusing on those areas. You might likely want to lift your hair in sections, so to make sure every part of your hair and scalp is covered. And one other good thing about this spray is that you can use it for all hair types. You can use it on braids, twists, cornrows. You can use it on protective styles like I'm doing. You can use it on natural hair. You can use it on relaxed hair. You can use it on locks. You can use it on damp or dry hair. And with consistent use, you're going to be noticing a difference within 3 to 6 weeks. Your scalp is going to feel calmer. Your hair will retain more moisture. Breakage is going to reduce drastically. Your weak areas will slowly start filling in. And if you're suffering from alopecia or hair thinning, you're going to be noticing new growth in that spot. Although some people notice faster results, others might see slow but steady improvements. Every scalp is different, and what matters is consistency. This spray helps to create that healthy environment for your follicles to thrive and for new growth to emerge. After using this spray, this next step is really important. You're going to be massaging your scalp at least 1 to 2 minutes. This will help circulation and is going to boost the effectiveness of this spray as well. So please don't joke with massaging of your scalp. This herbal spray is one of my best sprays, and it's really powerful. So if your hair has been stuck for years, if your edges has been thinning, or if you're dealing with alopecia patches, this DIY herbal spray is one of the simplest and most effective treatments you can add to your routine. Don't forget to always use your oils or your hair butters to seal in the moisture after using this spray. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to like this video and drop a comment. And if you enjoyed the video, please do well to subscribe. See you guys on my next video. Bye.